Alright, so we're going to be talking about distributing monomials today. You've actually been doing this already. If I said 3 and said x plus 5 right here, and you said distribute out the 3, that's actually 3 is one term. It's a monomial. So you've got 3x plus 15. The only difference today is I'm going to be throwing these exponents, these variables in there because now you've learned your exponent properties and you can deal with them now. So let's try out our first problem. So if I say 3x parentheses x minus 3, I know there's multiplication in there and I need to give it out through inside. So 3x times x, that's 3xx, and xx is x squared. So I have two of them, right? I'm adding those exponents. And then I have 3 times negative 3, that's negative 9. Just stick your x at the end so that it follows along and goes to both places. Over here I've got that negative y squared, so I'm going to distribute that out. So a negative 7 times a 5 is a negative 35. If I have two y's here and one here, then I have 3 of them. Then I have a negative 7 times a negative 3, that's a positive 21. If I have two y's here and 2 here, then I have 4 of them. Again, adding your exponents, that is your product property. Alright, let's try it out now with two variables. So, again, coefficient to coefficient. So 2 times 2 is 4. X times x is x squared, and then you don't want to forget about your y. He has nothing to add on to, so he just tacks on to the end. Then I've got 2 times negative 3, so that's negative 6. I've got just an x. Make sure you write that first because we like alphabetical order always. And then this y and that y make two y's all together. And you're done. Alright, one more. I've got a's and b's, kind of the same problem though. So we've got 5 times 6, which is 30. I've got an a and an a, so a squared. And then that b tacks onto the end. 5 times positive 4 is positive 20. My a has nothing to go with, so I'm going to write it next to alphabetically remember, and then b and b make b squared. There you go. That's everything you need to know about monomial multiplication.